Hey everyone, what's going on? It's your boy Krebsy Crypto, and for today's video I kind of have a little surprise for you guys. I'm starting it off in my mining room here, but we're eventually going to jump over to my computer so I can go ahead and kind of show you my little surprise that I've been working on pretty much from 3 to 6 months, if not longer by now. But I just kind of wanted to show you quick my changes here that I've made. I set up kind of like a CPU rack here, so I got my two CPU miners, and then as well as the 1650, just a 4 gigabyte. And this one is running on Cryptex, so as you see here, it's making 21 cents a day, nothing crazy, but these are just my spare rigs and parts and stuff. So I just go ahead and let it do its thing. As we see here, try to get it to focus. There's the totals. So as we see, my E5 making $5 a month, and my GPU is only making like $2 to $3 a month at times. But obviously it's just a lower end setup. I just have this running for now. This one I'm going to be working on setting up for CPU mining on Cryptex. That rig is off. I got my Z9 minis. I had my L3 running, but since my new project is finally done, I fired up my GPU rigs. So I got this one mining vertcoin here, and if we take a little cruise out here, I have another one out here that's also mining vertcoin, and I have them separated just because of the power and all that, like how it's broken up in my apartment. I have like 3 or 4 different sections when it comes to power, so I kind of have to run extension cables and like have it all running on different breakers and stuff like that. So that's doing that, and the reason why I have these mining vertcoin, well, is because I have officially launched my own mining pool for everyone to go ahead and use. Now, I don't have an abundance of coins to go ahead and mine and stuff like that. I'm still kind of like expanding on it, but for now I have vertcoin, zcash, and satoshi cash. You might be wondering what satoshi cash is. Well, zcash is another CPU mineable coin that's kind of been around for a little bit, but it's just kind of picking up recently. It's the tokenomics or coinomics of Bitcoin, and it's coded exactly like Bitcoin, but it's merged with the random X algorithm. So it's like random X cash or something like that. But I'll show you all that on my pool. So as you see, everything, the shares are coming in. I'm trying to get the focus. There we go. And it goes ahead and accepts it. I'm currently solo mining vertcoin because it's kind of the most profitable way with mining right now. So as we see here, you get accepted, and this is mining to my pool that I have set up right now. Has a whole front end and everything, but as I was saying, vertcoin seems to be the most profitable way to mine if you solo mine. It doesn't take much hash rate. You know, for my setup, I have like 5 to 7 mega hash. I can hit 2 to 3 blocks in a day sometimes if I'm really lucky. And for Canadian conversion, that's about $1.20, $1.30 a block. So if I'm hitting a few of those, I'm making well more for my profit. And then what I do, I just take that vertcoin and then usually end up swapping it over to Litecoin or Bitcoin or something like that. But I kind of just wanted to open up with this intro. As you can see, I got my whole setup. I got the tubing stuff. Few things have changed since my apartment review video. I had a few rigs. I cleaned it up over here, took the fan out because it's getting way too cold. All I need is kind of those to vent in the cool air for those. And then everything else just stays nice. So far, all of this is kind of heating my apartment. I also have the other rigs out there that are heating out in my living room and stuff. But now we'll jump over to my computer and we will take a look at the mining pool, and I can show you guys how to get connected and set up. I will also have a Discord in the description for the mining pool, so we can go ahead and chat. There's going to be support, all this kind of stuff, so we can go ahead and really make this pool something. Of course, I'm going to need to upgrade the server over time and stuff like that, but for now it's just a starting point for us, kind of for the channel and stuff. So hopefully we can get something rolling off of that. But I'll jump over to my computer now and I will show you guys the whole pool and the whole setup there. All right, so now we're over on my computer here, and as you see, this is my mining pool. It's KCMiners.com, and this whole front end and everything was custom made. It's all ran through Mining Core, but I've had a friend help me. I'm not going to take all the credit because I couldn't have done this all myself. I'm still kind of learning in the whole like pool running and that end of things, but I do have coding and tech experience and all that for years now. But my friend, of course, came and helped me Originally, we started talking on Fiverr, but then we added each other on Discord, and he's just kind of been helping me along with this journey. So I wouldn't be anywhere without him. I really don't want to dox his Discord or anything like that. But he does have a mining pool if you want to go ahead and check that out, if you want to support him, because he did help me with this. And this is his pool here, so you can go ahead and go over there and check that out. It's a very stable pool as well. I've had no issues with it. But again, the main purpose of this one here is my pool, the KCMiners.com. Once you come over the pool, as you see here, I have vertcoin, zcash, and satoshi cash. The vertcoin is going to be your GPU coin, zcash is going to be the ASIC, and satoshi cash is going to be the CPU for now. Again, a lot of this might change. I might add different coins, swap out some. If people don't end up mining like satoshi cash, I can go ahead and add a different CPU coin for the CPU miners and stuff like that. But all you do is once you're over on the website here, you click connect, and it's going to bring you to the connection page. And once you're down here, you're going to select the coin. So right now, for example, I'm doing vertcoin solo. So you'll click vertcoin solo, come over here to select port and difficulty. And depending how much mega hash you have is the port you're going to use. So if you go ahead and have like lower equipment, so like maybe 2 or 3 gigabyte cards, even 4 gigabyte cards, you might want to try the lower difficulty first. But if you're producing like 10 mega hash, 15, 20 plus mega hash, I would go with the higher difficulty port because it just depends on your hash rate. So lower hash rate, you want a lower difficulty, higher hash rate, you want a higher difficulty. So you just click on here, for example. You can paste your vertcoin wallet address in here and then your worker ID, and it'll spit out the config right here. But all you really need is the KCMiners stratum. So you would just enter that into HiveOS, or if you're using Windows, into your miner config, and then you'll be going ahead and mining right onto my pool here. It's as simple as that, easy as that. And down here, I'm going to be adding more steps for like other coins. But right now it has all the miners and stuff for vertcoin. So there's your one-click miner, your verthash miner, and then CPU miner. Of course, there might be some others, SRB miner and stuff you can go ahead and use. But these are like the simple and easy to use miners. If you go to Zcash here, you can use GPU and stuff for Zcash, but I would recommend just using ASIC because obviously it's ASIC dominant. It's not going to be well worth it at all if you're using GPU on Zcash. And then if you don't need any configs or anything, you can just come down here and here's all your stratum ports and everything like that. It shows your starting difficulties on each one. If it's shared, so shared is pool mining, solo is your solo mining. There's Satoshi Cash and there's Zcash, which only has one for the ASICs right now. I'm going to work on adding another one, but I don't think it's really worth it for GPU as well for ZEC. So I'm just going to leave the ASIC one. And of course, CPU just depends on your CPU, if it's a high-end or low-end CPU. And then once you're ahead in mining, you can just go up top here, and as you see, it has select pool, VTC shared, so whatever you're mining. So for example, I'm doing solo vertcoin, and then you would paste your wallet address there, and it'll bring you to the dashboard. I already have mine, but I'll just show you guys anyways. So let me backspace all that out. So since I'm doing solo here, I'll go boom, and as you see, it'll bring you to your page here. It'll have your mega hash, your pending shares, your active workers, how much you've been paid. And it looks like I literally just hit a block before recording this video. I got 1 pending right now. I've had 4 confirmed. It'll have your rig names, your hash rate history, the network difficulty. So it's obviously not in-depth. It's not crazy like some other pools, but I am just getting started here and just getting things like running. And I'm kind of releasing it now. I've tested most of the ports and everything. Everything's been working. So I figured now is a good time to go ahead and release it. Of course, you can go in the description and join the Discord. I will be posting on the website too. So if there are any issues or if you're running into problems, you can go ahead and contact me or the support as well, because I'm going to be in the Discord. It's a Discord for the mining pool here. So again, if there is any issue, just go ahead and contact me there. Or if you have requests or anything of the sort, I will be in the Discord. Obviously not at all times because I do have a job. I work full time, so on and so forth. But I'm going to do the absolute best I can to do everything here for the pool. And everything auto refreshes, so you can just sit here and leave it and let it auto refresh. It tells you how many shares a second. I've been using this. I've had no rejected shares, nothing like that. The server is hosted in Canada here, so maybe eventually I might add like a US stratum, international stratum, things like that. But right now everything's just kind of based on a server in Canada here where I'm located. But yeah, again, this is just kind of a small project for me, just something I wanted to do for a while, but it kind of took my knowledge and some other people's knowledge to go ahead and combine it and make it happen. If you want to track blocks on the pool, you can go here. As we see, I have one pending right now. So once it hits 100 confirms, it will send out automatically. Everything will be covered. So I've had a few orphaned. This was when I first started. I had some issues with it, but I fixed everything. And as you see, since then, they've all been paying out. It's all going to my wallet, all like that. So I do have a small percentage on each one just because I need to cover the transaction fees and stuff like that. So no fees or anything get stuck. But again, it's just like any other mining pool. Get the stratum, fire it up. It's just this way we're all on our own pool for like the KCMiners or the Krebsy Crypto mining pool, whatever you want to call it. Go ahead and check it out for yourself. Again, it's nothing crazy, but something that I'm kind of proud of that I've been wanting to do for a while. And just to follow up here, some people might be like, oh, what's this zcash coin? I'll show you quickly. Just before I log off here, so we'll go to CoinGecko. Right now it's 19 cents. So as you see the chart, this is the all-time chart. It's not looking bad, honestly, for the what it is. I believe it came out in 2024, and I think the community has took it over now. They made this algorithm happen, and like I said, it's coded just like Bitcoin. So 21 million to halving, you know, everything's the same except it's merged with random X. So as you see here, random X Zcash. So all you're going to do is like use SRB miner preferably, and they should have a config in there already. I can make separate videos on any of these coins that get set up if you're having trouble. But again, just join the Discord in the description for the pool, and I'll be able to help you out, or someone there will be able to help you out. So hopefully this all works for you guys. Hopefully things run smoothly. Again, more coins and algorithms and stuff will be coming. You know, if Zcash doesn't pick up on the pool, I might swap that out for like Zealous and some other GPU coins and stuff like that. I just figured to have one of each algorithm for now, so GPU, ASIC, and CPU, and go from there. But we'll pretty much leave it at that. I am working on this part up here, so once my videos and stuff upload, they will be posted up here, so you can just get quick, easy access to it. You can view my channel at any time. Again, you can view the blocks, connect, anything like that. Any questions, comments, concerns, post in the comments below or talk to me in the Discord. I know this really wasn't my normal tutorial or anything like that, but again, this is just a project I wanted to put out there for everyone to go ahead and use, since I know also pools are becoming minuscule. A lot of people are leaving the mining scene, a lot of pools are leaving, things like that. There's been a lot going on just to due to the fluctuation in price for everything. But again, that's all I have for you guys today. If you did enjoy the video, make sure that like and subscribe button, as it lets me know you're enjoying my content and it's somewhat helping you. But I hope you all have an amazing day, and this is Krebsy Crypto signing out.